Hey, what's up, Capricorn? This is Teddy Tarot here with your spirit animal. You guys got the frog. Clearing, cleansing, healing. The frog and the water element are almost inseparable. The frog spends its first months of its life entirely within this healing element and then emerges to rest on land. But no matter how earthly the frog becomes, its need for cleansing and rejuvenation is regular. Frogs tend to become overworked and undernourished, so it's vital that such sensitive creatures practice self-care. This card serves as a reminder that water helps us cleanse,